Okay, guys, last week we had a beautiful trading week. Throughout last week, the EA made over $5,000 last week, and of course, I also gave some signals in the Telegram platform. And so many people made thousands of dollars using the signal. Even the one I posted over the weekend was amazing, and of course it gave us huge profit right from there. So if you are not on the Telegram platform, then you are missing a lot. So you're going to find the link in the description box below this video. Click on the link and join the Telegram platform right now, because more signals will be posted, and of course more trading tools will be introduced to them right there on the Telegram platform. And if you want to know more about any of my trading tools, trading indicators, trading board, automated trading board, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. You're going to see my WhatsApp details right there in the description box below this video. So let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the trending markets for the week. But before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make cool cash for yourself on the within the forex market. Okay, so all you just need to do is for you to understand my trading strategies, practice very well on your demo account, then you of course you try it out on your real account. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out, and of course guys, I will be doing my analysis on the higher time frame in order for me to be able to capture the whole market. Okay, so and of course guys, you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame whenever you are trading, since most of you will be trading on lower time frame. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. And of course I'm on H4, and I'm using the 3M trend new card trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. This particular asset gave us an it is giving us a resistance zone right from this particular a downtrend right from the resistance zone, just where we're seeing this. And of course we got a downtrend signal from here, and of course a sell signal from here, and you can see it sold till it got to this particular support zone. Okay, so that's so amazing guys, it sold till it got here. So it ranged around there for a while before giving us an uptrend signal, and of course it started buying after giving us a buy signal from here, and it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it had a pullback and it came to an end at this point, and of course it's trying to go back up. If it breaks out above it, then of course it will get to this particular spot. So this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is Boom 500. It actually started a downtrend right from here after getting to this resistance and played around there for a while, but gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal around there. It sold till it got to this region. It has not been able to break out from there. So it's actually got there at the initial stage at the pullback, and of course it's coming back there right now. But this time around, if you should notice, it is forming an it is forming an M, and once it breaks out below this particular support zone, it's going to sell for long. So this is going to be giving me more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. Let's check out Crash 1000. Okay guys, this is Crash 1000, and this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a downtrend signal from here and a sell signal, and it has been selling since then. So this is still very much on downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is Crash 500, and of course guys, this actually went on uptrend right from this support zone till it got to this particular spot. It has not been able to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there. So we needed to break out below this. Once it breaks out below this, then it will be coming down to this particular spot. So I expect this to sell more than buy. Okay, so next asset is going to be Volatility 75. Let's check it out together. So this is Volatility 75, and of course we're going to check it out, check out the performance right from here. And of course guys, this has been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, got to this region, the pullback, a major one, and of course it went down again and down and okay, sorry, this is on 5-minute time frame. I will have to take it down, take it up to H4. Sorry about that. So I will be cleaning up the charts for a few seconds. Okay guys, we are here again, and of course guys, this is on H4. This actually went on downtrend and came to an end at this spot, and of course it went back on uptrend. It was unable to go above this particular resistance zone. You can see it was respected around there also, and of course it had the pullback in major one at that, but it has gotten to this spot. Let me use this. It has gotten to this spot. If it breaks out below it, then it will be coming down here. Okay, so this is still on downtrend, and of course if it does not, it will go back on uptrend, and of course it will try to get to this particular resistance zone to see if it will break out above this. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely it will be getting to this particular spot, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is still on downtrend at the moment. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with today, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.